are a group of intelligent people in Shishi, Fujian, the famous garment city in China. Their aim is to develop the high-tech technical, taking the conception of honesty, doubling innovates, creating many first outstanding achievements in China, and found the Yangtze Technology Group, one of the nation-level high-tech enterprise. Yangtze Technology Group is a high-tech enterprise that integrates the producing, learning, and investigation, collecting the ray, machine, and electricity in the whole. Its branch company, including the Shishi Yangtze Computerized Equipment Company Limited, Fujian Rainbow Computerized Technology Company Limited, Quanzhou Yangtze Technology Vocational School, and so on. The company gained the International Quality Attestation System of ISO 9001 certificate, the International Environment Attestation System of ISO 14001 certificate, and the European Alliance CE Production Safety Attestation Certificate, obtained many patent protection and the top brand protection of Fujian, China. Our production occupy best chance in China market, at the same time export to dozens of countries and districts. Yangtze Technology Group is cognizant of that the market competition in the final is the competition of people with ability and the innovative of the technique. We are not only have numbers of special persons who graduated from famous universities, but also invested to create the Quanzhou Yangtze Technology Vocational School, the first school for embroidery equipment industry, providing the person with ability to Yangtze and the associates greatly contribute to our computer embroidery industry. Yangtze Enterprise have numbers of persons with high diathesis who devoted their mind to solve the difficult problem about computer embroidery machine technique. Whether the social aids come from the domestic or abroad, that confirmed their enthusiasm of heroes and persisted in the computer embroidery. For the associates master the newly technical information, we make up of a marketing tool which have special technique, passing our newly technical harvest to them, helping them scheme out the suitable manufacture project. The manufacture apartment is carefully and preciously producing the client satisfying production by strictly carry out the project. We are deeply touched that the staffs of Yangtze are concerned about their social aids because they are regarded as research and produce computer embroidery equipment to their lifetime career. They are proud of challenging the concept of technique. With hope and self-confidence, they use their intelligence and their hands to create an illustrious brand. Yangtze Technology Group, in order to meet the demand of different scope and different industry in market, is developing multi-function embroidery machine and a series of production with internet system. Steady capability, convenience operation, simple maintain, beautiful embroider, entire function, and so on. In the research and development machinery aspect, according to the researcher of technology constantly explore, trial and error, they have produced the first round-hand embroidery machine in China. The first round-hand embroidery machine, it uses recircular needle box. The needles of machine are in the same round, which make its frame more closed. The operating space is more wider and the work efficiency is more higher. Its precision gather head the machine is capable to embroider more thickly, especially embroider the leather, shoes, and hats have obviously advantage. Yangting Company according to the different demand of customers, from 1 hand to 43 hands, from 3 needles to 12 needles, and so on. There are all kinds of specifications and hundreds of partners in embroidery machine. All models of machines are seasoned with embroidering all kinds of thick or thin material and all kinds of yarn, rayon, metallic thread, and so on. As changing of the market, one embroidery machine is all-purpose, which has entered the market. Yangting Technology Group has dozens of mixed-head special embroidery machine. For example, tower embroidery machine, sequin embroidery machine, calling embroidery machine, and so on. Meanwhile, the combined embroidery machine between flat embroidery machine and sequin embroidery machine, between flat embroidery machine and calling mixed head embroidery machine, between flat embroidery machine, sequin embroidery machine, and calling embroidery machine. No matter your company is an enterprise which producing special arts and crafts, or a group company has a diversification of products, complicated of techniques, we can easily meet your varied demands. All of the partners of the Yangting Group will not only sign with emotion that Yangting people labor over the embroidery machine, but affecting that Yangting people are absorbed in service. The best service of the Yangting people is equal to the quality of Yangting products. Whether you are using Yangting product or not, wherever you are, it will be recorded your attention for the details of the Yangting embroidery machine and sent directly to customer relationship management of Yangting Group by internet. True blue Yangting people will become a member of your strategic partnership. Any situation occurred in the use process can use the dozens of service network at home and abroad, which is established by Yangting Group. The customer can call to the service network to solve any problem about embroidery machine at any time. It makes the customer and a solution, and it can also promote the production update from the basic or according to the new technical requirement of the market. The product and service of Yangting people are so attentive at great pains and original view. You choose Yangting, that means you choose reassurance. You choose product of Yangting Technology Group, that is you choose development and grandness.